So what I recommend all of you to join, there is a WhatsApp group where you can join. So we will make a frequent update on the dates, time, everything. And also we'll address any of your concern. If you want to ask something, if you want to say that now you can, if you have any specific questions, they will be able to address you. So that's about the course. Um, how it's going to be and what are the fee structure. The CH course is offered at the outside. If you go to the market, you charge around 40 to 45,000 rupees. Um, it charged around 40 to 45,000 rupees in the market, including the exam voucher. Means you will be able to take up the exam with the exam code. So you can buy it's like paying for the online exam for CH. So including that, they charge around 40 to 45,000. In our session with from IT expert training along with EC Council, we would like to give, we are joining in our first batch as a special offer. We would like to give around, 29,999 along with plus GST. That will be our offer. So please make use of this offer. You can definitely benefit from not just a trainer who is just certified, but who is really experienced and worked more than 12 years into different companies, different organizations giving consultation. So you'll also be exposed to practical experience. You will share, trainer will share his practical experience, real-time experience with you. So that's what the benefit you will get in addition to all other training providers. So what I recommend as a startup, you can join our WhatsApp group, and also we'll be sharing now a Google form to fill up your details. So our team will also communicate with you to address if you have any questions one-to-one. So Tahir, can you share the WhatsApp link and the Google form in the group? Can you please type in? So meanwhile, we will take up the questions from you. I'll unmute. Maybe we can use the chat box to type. It will be good. So I'm getting some questions. Sir, what will be the AI role in future cyber security?
Yes, sir. Maybe I can address. So
Yeah,
Daniel Raj asking, so what will be the AI artificial intelligence role in future cybersecurity? So not only the future, actually, I can say, because nowadays all the security solutions like firewall or SIM solutions, they all come with the AI only, actually. Okay, so nowadays itself they started with the machine language and AI format. Okay, so I don't think in future it's already there in Middle East or in some other. In India it's a bit low, but in Middle East side and in Australia and US they already mix this AI feature in their cyber security solution itself, actually.
Thank you.
Okay.
The
And
Muhammad Ali is asking, sir, there will be any job
uh,
guidance?
these questions I can address in different way. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm not sure how we can how provide the job and everything. But if you have if you have a good experience or good knowledge in hacking, we can say hacking or ethical hacking, you definitely get the job in good companies. Actually, you can try some CS jobs in wherever you are. Then you will come to know what are the job opportunities, how we can crack the exam. We will definitely help you on certification plus interview questions and everything. Okay.
Great. So at the end of the day, Muhammad Ali, if you go and search now, the job opportunity for CH, you will find many. Even when people are recruiting, they're asking, "Are you certified CH?" So that is how you can position yourself. Our training will help you to get the certification and also get you put you hands on the labs. Probably, the trainer will be explaining the labs, so you can practice on Kali Linux, or whatever the operating system is talking about. You can install and practice those lab. That's one thing. Or alternatively, you can also buy lab online from EC Council. You can pay additional amount and buy in EC Council to practice a remote lab as well. So these are the things which will help you to make strong in this subject. Then apply for a job, and there are a lot of forums. We can also help you with what are the interview questions. how the interview could be. So if you are part of our WhatsApp group, probably our trainers will help, and also will post if there is any opportunities available. But we are not job provider. That's for your information. So many people join this course because they know that there is a big market demand. Okay, so that is something which you need to understand. So we have shared the WhatsApp group link. So join there. So further update regarding any job opportunities or maybe any labs, whatever information required, we'll keep sharing in that group. And also about the course start date, all those things we'll be sharing it. So please join in that group, WhatsApp group, and also please fill up the Google form so our team can contact you if you are interested to pursue. If you have any doubts, our team can contact you. So these are two things which I request you to do immediately. And let us, someone is asking about, will you teach Linux basics?
Yes, Wasim Shah asking. So, will you teach Linux basics? For your information, the OS which we're talking about, Linux or Parrot OS, is from the it's Linux OS. So it means so we we will try to teach basic of Linux to start with the course, because once you start with the operating system, it's a Linux operating system. So you need to know the basic Linux basic, you can say. Okay.
So
And
just to answer, yes, we will have basic covered in this course. So is that required to learn CompTIA Plus for absolutely beginner?
I don't think it's necessary actually. So because in CH itself we will cover from the scratch itself. So we don't want to do the security, because mostly security plus cover the off of the CH, we can say. So if you go with the CH, we already cover the security plus advanced actually. So we don't no need to go with the security plus.
So Yaqut Ali is asking, what will be the methodology will be followed when a penetration tester conducts network-based pen testing?
So be frank, in real time, penetration testers, while doing a penetration test, we follow the NIST standard only. Mostly the NIST standard we follow in real time actually. When even in EC Council also recommended the NIST, that ONIST, these are the frameworks actually. So we will, in our practical session, we will help you to how to start with the vulnerability assessment, how to do the penetration testing, how we can compile the real time report, and how to submit. So these are the things we will cover in our training session. So mostly for your questions, nutshell is NIST actually, NIST format.
He's asking, Jamil is asking, 5-day training is good for learning, but we might need more real-time scenarios to learn and get familiar. Would it be possible to share more real-time scenarios and experience over the time and just those 5 days?
Yes, because normally my training will be like I cover mostly my real time, because whenever CH only teach you the concept. For example, they say okay, footprinting. Okay, but in real time, how you do the footprinting in real time life or real time job, how you can utilize the footprinting. So that I will teach it. So don't worry about the real time scenarios. I'll normally teach 5 days will be real time scenarios only, not the training concept.
So Jamil, the 5 days is enough, but we will be more focusing on lab and practical than the theory. That's what Sandro is telling. So hope we will be able to join and benefit from that. Ashwini Kumar is asking, sir, I'm a fresher. Please tell me, how can I enroll this course? Any course provide basic in ethical hacking detail? He's asking. Should I have to learn something? He's asking. So Ashwini Kumar, I think just to answer you, you can join our WhatsApp group as we have shared. First of all, then we will advise you how to register, enroll, pay for the course, and then join the actual course. That is one thing. Second, any course of basic, knowledge required for ethical hacking. If you are a computer science student, if you have the basic of computer science, I think that should be okay, because this is going to be a foundation course only. So we'll be talking about all the foundation level information. So if you are already a computer science student, or you know about how to use internet and computers, and you are very keen about learning things, and I think this course will be a good start for you. So they're asking about real time. They are using Palo Alto next generation firewall. Are you teach those? Mohammed?
Moman, sir, I don't know what you want to teach here actually, because in Palo Alto firewall, personally, I worked on Palo Alto 50, 50, 50, 60, and 5200 something. But in EC Council, it's not related to that. But if we already have Palo Alto access and everything, we will try to how to bypass or how to because some hackers try to bypass the Palo Alto firewall like that. So that I can teach you if you have any real-time case scenario apart from this class actually.
So, and Irfan, ethical hacking learn online class or real time class, which is one the best he is asking. See, right now there is no on-site class because now because of COVID, all the institutions across the world are conducting online. So it is not something different. The same on-site class which we normally used to conduct in our training center. Now the same thing, but we are doing it online. So you can learn from the home. That's the only difference between both on-site and online. Probably you will miss the interaction, live interaction or physical interaction with the trainer. But the last 1.5 years, all of us are working on the COVID, doing remote office, work from home, schools are online. So it's not going to be a big difference, and definitely you will enjoy learning online. But all the modules will be covered, and even the labs, when we set up, it is all going to be online. So we will train you, we will share the desktop, how to install Kali Linux, how to set up those testing. So you will enjoy those things learning online, and you can also do on your PC or server or laptop. So that's not going to be a big difference when it comes to learning this training online. That's all the questions I think. Okay, fine. The main thing is now, if you're looking for a job opportunity, then I seriously recommend a course like CH, because you know that many time if you go to the industry and ask people, they're mainly looking for someone who can uh, who has the certifications, right? So it's a high time for you to get into this and benefit from that. Apart from that, if you want to ask anyone else who would like to ask, what about OSCP? Can you answer that question?
So Wasim Shah, yes, no, OSCP is I can say it's a bit more advanced level. If you core, I want only the penetration testing part. I don't want to learn other stuff. Then you can go for the OSCP. OSCP is very, we can say, bit advanced than CH. So I can't say bit advanced, because CH. That's the reason CH take we can say ethical hacking like CH from EC Council take the CH.
Sorry, Chandru, can you unmute? Yeah.
Oh, sorry, sir. Wasim, sir, sorry. Okay, so that's OSCP is a bit advanced course. I agree. Okay, so but EC Council. That's the reason EC Council this year or last year itself they taken CH no practical lab actually. So this will help see the basic understanding of all the concept plus practical. So this will come equally to the OSCP. But OSCP is I cannot say it's very bad, but it's equal to CH practical actually I can say.
CH master.
Yes, master. Sorry.
Okay. So I hope it's clear, Wasim Shah. So it's like different vendors providing different thing.
Yes.
End of the day, how you want to position yourself. What is HackRank? He is asking Irfan.
So HackRank, these are all like bug bounty kind of stuff actually. So I don't know if you have a basic knowledge of bug bounty. Yes, HackRank and so many bug bounty, so many websites like that actually. So what they do is, yeah, for example, I can give a small example like Amazon or Apple.com or Snapdeal, whatever the website. Okay, if you are ethical hacking, they will give some demo link, like not kind of demo link like demo.snapdeal.com like that. Okay, you can try to get some vulnerability and submit to them. If the vulnerability is valid, they will pay you actually. So these kind of concept will be we call as a bug bounty actually, that we will cover it in web application hacking actually.
Very good, very good. So Farhan is asking, after taking your course, I can apply for exam confidently.
It's 100%. Don't worry about it.
So there's something, Farhan, there is one thing is about the learning, other one is in an exam. So both are equally important, because at the end of the day, even if you just pass exam without the proper knowledge, then if you are looking for a job or if you are trying to go and practice in the live environment, it'll be awkward, am I right? Many people just pass the exam by online. That's why there is another option also to do this, exam. You can go and learn online, the recorded content, and then write the exam and say that I'm certified ethical hacker. But learning from a trainer like Chandru, who has 12 years experience, is completely different. And also, as you see that we have, uh, he'll be sharing his practical knowledge and he'll guide you on how to implement those concepts. That is very important. Okay. And obviously exam is our objective, because at the end of the day, we are giving you exam voucher from EC Council along with the package, so that you can pass the exam and apply for a job. So you'll be getting it. So Daniel is saying, I'm having knowledge on basic computer programming knowledge. Will the course suit me to achieve it? Chandru, you can answer there.
I don't have a secret. No. What's the question, sir?
He's saying, Daniel is saying, I have a basic computer programming knowledge. So will this course suit me to achieve?
To achieve into coming to cybersecurity, yes, you
Yes,
can do
yes.
it actually.
Yeah,
We will cover,
cybersecurity.
because some of the web application you need to know some of the programming, so you can definitely, suits this course, we can say.
Great. Great. So Daniel, this is a course for you, because once you have done, I can see a lot of college students now in the fourth year, final year, they are doing CH, they are participating in hackathon, and they are scoring a lot of things. So it is always good if you are going to, complete this. It will definitely differentiate you from others. Okay. So Daniel, it's the right course for you. We have shared again the WhatsApp group. Can you share it again, Tahir, so people can join who are interested, who is interested to take up the course. Nizam is asking, hi sir, I have completed NSC 4 and score certified, and how will be going to ECH is going to help? What is the fundamental knowledge needed?
Nizam, okay, just for your answer, so you already completed NSC 4, score, everything. So that will be good. Okay, but CH will cover all the basic aspect. In the NSC you will cover like score, or NSC 4 you cover only the network security part. But in CH you will come to know how the application will work, how the application vulnerability. So many things it will cover actually. I know personally some people, even my friend, they already certified with NSC 7 or in CCIE security. They again in CCIE security, then they came for the CH again.
Exactly.
Okay, because some companies, if they want to switch into network security, cyber security, they need to address the basic knowledge of all the components like cloud security. If you say NSE 4 or something, okay, I know that you have a very good knowledge in Fortinet or Cisco product, network security, you are good, but product is one part. Okay, tomorrow, for example, Cisco ASA. Okay, now there is no firewall called Cisco ASA. Okay, the product and technology thing. So that's the reason people go with the basic knowledge on all the, because cloud security. So in the CH we will cover all the security aspect of all the technology, IoT, cloud, everything. So it definitely help you in future career perspective actually.
So I think even Abdurrahman, your question is the same answer. Even if you're a diploma graduate, as long as you are interested for ethical hacking, you want to start your career, I think this is the best time to invest. And you know that there are a lot of job opportunities coming up in cybersecurity. So getting a CH certification will differentiate you from other students who are coming out from the college. I remember, I can tell you very confidently, people with BE degree, they are getting into normal jobs, whereas people with BSc or even BCom or diploma graduates with a certified ethical hacking or some certification from Cisco, Microsoft, or Palo Alto, they are getting into landing in a good job, because they mainly look at your qualification or degree is one part, but other part is what is the industry certification you have and how much you are confident to execute. All right. So because I've been working in this field for last 23 years, I've recruited many people for my company. Our company was top 5th rank in Microsoft partner and gold partner for Cisco, Palo Alto, and so many cybersecurity vendor. And when we go for recruitment, we would like to select people who have interest, who have certified, who have knowledgeable, who are able to demonstrate their skill, than just looking for BE or graduates from IIT. That's something different. So rather, if we are certified and have a knowledge, and you are able to demonstrate, and you are able to communicate well, and your other skills like attitude, your problem solving, communication skills, that all matters. So don't worry about that you are a graduate, you are diploma graduate, but you can take up this course.
Yeah, sorry, sir. Abdul
Yeah.
Rahman, just for your additional point, just one thing. Okay, don't think I am a diploma, I am a B. Don't think like that. Okay, so if you are a CH or if you come into cybersecurity, they only think about your knowledge only. They don't think about your what is the degree or diploma you don't have. Okay, so don't worry about the degree, diploma or something. Okay, so if you are keen to learn cybersecurity, CH is the best. Actually, you will get a good opportunity. Actually.
So Tamim Ansari is asking, CCNA, MCSC will help me to understand CH and higher courses concept. Yes, Tamim Ansari, definitely, because you have a foundation of Cisco and Microsoft, because OS will be covered, networking will cover, wireless will be covered. So definitely it is going to help you. This is the right time to start this CS course. So CCNA is related to networking, exactly. It's related to more of networking. They also have now CCNA security, wireless. Even the CCNA, they started with cyber security. They try to cover the foundation, but CH is more advanced than all those things when you talk about ethical hacking. So Mohammed Nighas is asking, Harisankar is asking, sir, I'm a beginner. Can I study this course? What do you mean by beginner, Harisankar? Maybe you can unmute and talk if you want to talk. Maybe you can clarify more. What do you mean beginner? Beginner in the sense you are saying that beginner for cyber security or beginner for IT itself. I don't think it's a problem. Even if you are a beginner, this course is going to cover from the foundation, right? As IT, okay. So probably Chandru, you can answer that. If they are beginner, how they can take up this course?
Sorry, okay, so they are beginner in IT actually. They want to, so that's the reason. Again, CH is also a beginner in cybersecurity. So don't worry about the beginner or the experienced person. Okay, so CH, even in CH also we are starting scratch. Okay, right from the how to do the how to open the command prompt, how to do the telnet. So we are teaching from the basic to advanced level. So don't think even for beginners, even for college students, they are starting the CH actually. So don't worry about the beginner or experience. If you are interested in cybersecurity, yes, you can.
So what is the duration? It's going to be 5 days course. Um, it will be conducted the whole day. You have to be on the class, but we can agree. We will be confirming that in the WhatsApp group based on the students' demography and their preferred time. So we might split into, instead of 5 days, maybe we'll split into 8 days. Maybe we'll keep it on weekends. So all those things are flexible. So we are planning to start from June second week. So please join our WhatsApp group, which I have given. So in that we will be proposing you, we'll ask you to fill up the form and proposing you the time, duration, everything. So it's generally it's run as a 5 days boot camp, like 6 to 8 hours per day. So it's like a 40 hours training. So we'll try to split it in the way we feel most of the students are comfortable with. Okay, Daniel, I think that should be answering your question. Yeah. Okay. So Syed, I'm also beginner. I can study this course. Yes, you can study. Someone is asking, after this course, can I clear Azure security? Chandrasekhar?
No, because in Azure A is at 500, because I cleared A is at 500 and MS 500 actually. So that they will cover whole concept of Azure security actually. Okay, so Azure Sentinel, Azure Defender, everything it will cover actually. So this course will teach you a basic of Azure security, we can say. because we are not going to touch the Sentinel one and other security concept of Azure cloud. Okay, but basic only.
Great.
But if you need Azure security, yes, we have a separate course working for Azure security itself that you can join actually.
I think yes, sir, it's clear. So I hope most of your questions are answered. If you would like to, if anyone want to speak, please go ahead, unmute, because I already given the permission. You can unmute and speak. Otherwise, we will close the session. Irfan, WTP is advanced. Yeah, someone is asking about the difference between WPA and WPA2. It's like clearing their doubts.
Yeah, Ifran, that's we will cover in Wi-Fi security or Wi-Fi course in even the same CH. We will cover all your Wi-Fi security, WPA, WPA, WPA2, WPA3. What is the difference? How we can apply in real time? What are the vulnerabilities in WPA, WPA2? Everything will be covered in our course actually. Okay, so and for all the students, okay, even if you have a doubt in future, you can reach us. They will connect with us, so we will clear your audio doubt. Okay, so feel free to call anytime.
We'll have a dedicated WhatsApp group, it will be clear. So don't worry about that, of clarifying your questions and answers. I think we have covered almost all their questions. Nobody is having now. We'll have last, if anyone would like to ask, the last one chance we'll give. You can unmute and ask if anyone would like to ask. Otherwise, we will end up the session. I hope all of you have joined this WhatsApp group. Have you joined? I can see. Connecting to it, CH webinar is good. So you can see a lot of most 20 to 25 people have joined. That is a good start. The only things I request you to make sure that you can also share this with your friends who are interested. We'll be sharing the entire recording by tomorrow. So many people would have missed, your friends, maybe others could have missed. So you can reach to us. You can ask them to watch the video and then join as a group so that you can benefit from that. Okay, so let me end this session by once again thank all of you for taking your time and joining this CH introduction session. And I thank our trainer, Mr. Chandrasekhar, who has shared his knowledge and experience. And I'm sure with his training, you all will become an expert as we progress. Start with this basic foundation of CH, and in future you will become someone who is an expert in cybersecurity by becoming a master in CH and other penetration tests. There are a lot of other courses which you can continue to take. But CEH is the foundation for all. That's what I want to once again emphasize and stress. Thank you very much for joining, and hope to see you all in our actual session. And also, just to repeat you, the course, the first batch we are offering at a discounted price. Normally the course is around 40 to 45,000 when you look at the market price. So we are offering at 29,999, which includes the 5-day live session from the experienced trainer, Mr. Chandrasekhar, and also the CEH kit, which will have the books, PDF. You can have all the documents available, and then you'll also have the exam voucher, which itself costs around 25,000 if you go and buy only the 20 to 25,000 for exam voucher itself. So all these things are included and given at the price of 29,999, which is the market price, the best price in the market. And with this trainer, kind of a trainer you have, I can bet you this is one of the best price you can get. So please share it across with your friends, colleagues, and join it as a group so you will benefit from this. Thank you very much for your time. And as somebody is asking about the course duration. Course duration, I told you 5 days. All right, it's 8 hours, 5 days, 40 hours session, live session. And you can also have the recorded content later on for you to watch in our IT expert training portal. So you will have that also free access. So you can later on watch it over and over again if you missed anything. Okay, so that is for you to benefit. and expensive. I already told you about the course fee, but most of them are going for the exam fees. The trainer fee is very less, but for the EC Council itself, they charge a lot for the exam fees because you have to do certified ethical hacking course. You have to get the voucher and go and apply for the exam and pass it. And also you have to get the training kit from EC Council. These are the main cost element in the entire course. Okay, so that's why the course is high, fees is high, but I think it's worth investing at this point of time. So thank you very much. We'll get you soon in our live session. See you all soon in our 5 days course. Please join immediately on the WhatsApp group so that we will share the live recorded content of this course. Okay. Thank you, Hari. Thank you, Cisse, and all those who have participated and asked more interactively, asked a lot of questions. Thank you very much. Thank you, Chandru. Let us call it a day.
Yeah, thanks all. So Ifran, you can reach us. We will help you on the doubts actually. Okay, what is 0 day and everything. Okay, we will help you on that. Okay, don't worry.